You wake up, reach for your phone, and see something impossible. Your bank account now contains $1 million. You refresh the screen. Still there. You call a friend. They have 1 million too. So do your parents. Then you turn on the news. This did not happen only to you. Every adult on earth woke up with the equivalent of $1 million. No loan, no repayment. The money simply appeared overnight. For a few minutes, it feels like the greatest day of your life. You search for your dream car, look at luxury hotels, and open property listings you could never afford yesterday. But before you can buy anything, the world begins reacting. Flights sell out, hotel rooms disappear, shopping websites crash, car dealers pause sales, property listings vanish. You call a dealership about a car that cost $30,000 yesterday. They refuse to sell it. Why accept $30,000 when every customer now has $1 million? You are a millionaire, but so is everyone else, and that changes everything. The amount of money exploded. The amount of food, housing, fuel, electricity, and land did not. You go to the supermarket. Yesterday, a loaf of bread cost $2. Today, everyone entering the store has $1 million. People fill their carts. Some buy more than they need. Others stockpile because they expect prices to rise. Within hours, the shelves begin to empty. The customers are richer. The shelves are not fuller. So the store raises the price of bread. $2 becomes $5, then $10, then $20. The same thing happens everywhere. Food, fuel, rent, medicine, transport, and repairs all become more expensive. Your bank account still says you are a millionaire. Your shopping cart says otherwise. Then another problem appears. Some people stop working, not everyone, but enough to disrupt the system. A delivery driver takes several months off. A cashier quits. A warehouse cannot find enough staff. A plumber agrees to come only if you pay 10 times the old price. Fewer workers mean fewer deliveries. Fewer deliveries mean emptier shelves. Factories produce less. Restaurants stay closed. Services become harder to find. Now more money is competing for fewer things, and prices rise even faster. The car that once cost $30,000 now costs $300,000. The house that cost $300,000 now costs several million. Your $1 million suddenly feels very small. Then your thinking changes. You see prices rising every day and think, I should spend now before my money becomes worth even less. But everyone else is thinking the same thing. People spend faster. Prices rise faster. Money stops being something people want to save. It becomes something they want to escape. Normally, you might search for a stronger foreign currency, but this is happening everywhere. So people begin chasing things that cannot be created overnight. Food, land, fuel, gold. Anything useful, scarce, and real. You could have $10 million in your account and still struggle to buy bread or medicine. You became richer on paper, but poorer in real life. Because money is not wealth. Money is only a tool used to exchange wealth. Real wealth is food, housing, energy, land, technology, skills, and people producing things others need. Printing money can create bigger numbers in your account, but it cannot grow food overnight. It cannot build houses instantly, and it cannot make scarce things unlimited. So what happens if banks print unlimited money? At first, you feel richer than ever. Then products disappear, prices explode, savings lose value, and trust in money collapses. Because you can print money, but you cannot print prosperity.